Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ford Focus SE. Under the hood we have a 2-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in blue. It looks really nice. You do have the Ford badging up front there with your lights hanging out just right there. And coming around the side, they are a little bit snowy, but they are 16-inch rims with our Edge brand tires. You do also have your mirrors hanging out right there with the turning signals on them, and they are heated. And coming all the way around to the back, you got the SE badging, the Ford and the Focus with your backup camera right there. And open it up just right here. Lots of room back here. You can fold those seats forward if you did want. And then underneath here, you do also have your spare tire just in case you did need it. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. Got that guy to open up the back and your panic button there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got a handle here and another handle down, you got some storage down here. Looks awesome in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable. You do have the controls over the lights right over here, so you have your daytime running lights, low beams, and auto, as well as your in-cabin light control right over here. And then up here we do have the controls over the high beams and turning signals. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center, it does also tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 21,000, not too bad at all. You also have our trip one, so you have your speed, you have your trip odometer, average fuel, your instant fuel icon, your distance till empty, trip timer, and then you can also switch that to your other ones like your trip 2, your information settings, and all those guys. Now that is controlled from right here. You do have your cruise control options here, horn in the center, and then your Bluetooth options with the volume up and down. Then over here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. And then right in the center here you do have your display. So it does tell us all different things, like you can see your different radio menu and all those different ones. Now we do have AM and FM as well. Right there, you can switch those around. You also have a media player with your Bluetooth audio, your line in, and then your mobile apps. You can change the sound around and all that as well. And when you are in reverse, you have that useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Down here we do have the CD player, your selectors with the eject, volume up and down with the power. You have your presets in the phone there. As well, you do have your tuner there, radio, sound, your media, phone, menu. You also have your clock, your skips there, your selector, and your hazard lights. And then down here we do have the power up and down with our defrosts here, AC, heated seats, your mode, your power, and then your temperature over there. You got some storage just right here, as well as your heated steering wheel. Your gear shift is right here. And then you also have your cup holders with your parking brake. Storage in there as well. And then right over here we do also have our glove box. Looks fantastic. You got the control over your sunroof and your sunglass holder, and there's our sunroof looking great. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control of your windows, and a handle here. Looks great back here as well. Very spacious. Seats 5 people all together. You can fold those seats down just like that if you did need the extra room. And there's our 2-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Ford Focus SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.